Samsung has a tradition of sweetening its premium phone launches with valuable extras, and it seems like the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 might follow suit. Rumors are heating up that both devices could include complimentary access to Google AI Pro, a powerful AI toolkit that typically costs $19.99/£18.99/32 per month. This insight comes from Android Authority, which found references to these foldables within the latest beta version of the Google app. According to the code, users of the Z Fold 7 and Flip May 7th be eligible for free access to Google AI Pro, a move that reflects Samsung's growing emphasis on artificial intelligence and creative tools in its flagship devices. What is Google AI Pro and why should you care? Google AI Pro is not your average software bundle. It's a premium suite of AI tools designed for creators, professionals, and curious minds looking to explore what's possible with next-gen technology. The highlights of the service include Clapperboard VO3 Fast. This feature transforms text into videos complete with sound. Whether you're a content creator or just love experimenting with AI, this tool can generate visual storytelling content in just seconds. Movie Camera Flow, a state-of-the-art AI video editing tool built around VO3. It lets users edit, extend, and direct camera movements with natural language prompts, no pro-level experience needed. Brain Gemini 2.5 Pro and Deep Research, advanced AI capabilities designed for deep learning, analysis, and creative problem-solving. Cloud 2 TB of Google One Cloud storage, perfect for storing all your creative projects, videos, photos, and more. All of this typically costs users nearly $20 per month. But if the rumors hold true, buyers of the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 might enjoy this power-packed toolkit completely free for a limited time. A familiar pattern? Samsung's AI push continues. This move wouldn't be entirely new for Samsung. When the Samsung Galaxy S25 series launched earlier, buyers received a free 6-month subscription to Gemini Advanced, which has since evolved into Google AI Pro. So, a similar AI bundle for the company's foldable lineup seems not only plausible but likely. What's unclear is the length of the free trial. Android Authority hasn't found any details on whether it will be for 3 months, 6 months, or something else entirely. But considering Samsung's recent history, a 6-month window seems reasonable. What to expect from the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7? Beyond the potential AI subscription perk, the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 are rumored to deliver major upgrades, including a thinner and lighter design for improved portability, better camera hardware and behind-the-scenes AI enhancements, deeper integration of smart features and AI tools to match your creativity and productivity needs. Samsung may also announce an ultra variant of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, adding fuel to the excitement. When will we know for sure? Both foldables are expected to be officially unveiled in early to mid-July 2025, meaning we won't have to wait long to see exactly which perks Samsung has in store. The inclusion of Google AI Pro would make these devices not only hardware powerhouses but also AI creativity hubs right out of the box.